How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro or XT Pro SE upper backrest. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Disconnect the left and right speaker connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the upper backrest. Unzip the top of the backrest pad from the upper backrest, then remove the upper backrest from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Note the horseshoe brackets on each side of the upper backrest. Note the corresponding posts on each side of the chair frame. Aligning the posts with the brackets, slide the upper backrest into position on the chair. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the upper backrest. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 2 screws to secure the upper backrest to the chair frame. Reconnect the speaker connectors on each side of the backrest. Note the 2 longer tabs on the lower edge of the back cover. Note the 2 corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots and the back cover into position. Lower the back cover slightly to confirm that both tabs are installed in the slots. Replace and partially tighten the 6 screws to secure the back cover to the chair. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.